Hello everyone, we're going to look at just a basic series circuit today. I got 3 resistors in my circuit, so we're going to look at what happens with my total opposition to current flow when I have a series circuit. So if we have a resistor, let's say it has 10 ohms of opposition. We have another one that has 15 ohms of opposition, and we have one that has 5. So in a series circuit, what we're going to learn is that the more opposition to current flow I have in a series circuit, the lower the current I have. So what that has to mean with Ohm's law is that as I add resistance in series, my opposition has to increase. So we can write a formula that shows us that. Resistance total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 in this case. If we had more, we could keep going. What this is just showing us is as I add resistance, as I add opposition in series, my resistance total will increase. So in this case, I would have a resistance total of 30 ohms. I could look at Ohm's law, and I could look at how this is affecting my total opposition. So with resistors, if you're thinking about phase displacement and phasor diagrams and angles, resistors, they are an in-phase component, meaning their voltage and current are in phase. Because they're all at the same phase angle, we can just add them directly together. Some of you might recognize this and think, well, this is supposed to be a Z for total impedance. I'm just making it nice and simple. Because we're using resistors, we can use an R to show resistance because with the resistor, the impedance and the resistance are the exact same value. There is no displacement between the two. So what this formula shows us is as I add resistance, my resistance would increase. Okay? So if I actually went into this circuit and I added a 4th resistor, okay? So this would now be plus R4. What did this do to our circuit? My resistance total increased. My resistance total increased. So we can actually look at what would happen to current now. And then we'll get into what happens to the voltage drops at different points. Hope this has helped. We'll see you next time.